How to create a Windows installation DVD. The Windows OS image can be used for installing Windows operating system or recovering the system to its initial state. This video shows the procedure of creating an installation DVD that you can use to perform a clean installation or recover the system of Windows on a DFI device. The procedure requires you to prepare a blank DVD and DVD burner with at least 8 GB of space. You can download the OS image from the DFI website. Note that you need an authorized account for Partner Zone to do that. If you do not have an account, please apply for it online or send your request to your sales representative. Also note that the OS images here are for evaluation purpose only. You need to purchase proper licenses from Microsoft. Please note that the Windows OS image includes the drivers for hardware devices. Open your browser and go to the DFI website at www.dfi.com. Click the Partner Zone icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click Login to log in with your work email and password. If you do not have an account, please click Sign Up to apply a Partner Zone account. Enter your login name and password. Click Telecharger Center to access software materials such as OS images, drivers, utilities, and tools for DFI product. The Telecharger Center presents 4 different ways to search for the material. Here we demonstrate the use of Telecharger Center system to search. Enter the device's model name and click OS for file type. Then click Search. The result lists the OS image by model name and its part number. Click the file link to show the description about the release. Please confirm the information and click Download to download and save the file on your computer. Please verify the integrity of the downloaded file before you use it. You can use the Rufus program to calculate the hash values of the downloaded file. Double-click the Rufus program to open it. Under Boot Selection, click the Select button to select the downloaded OS image. Click the check icon and choose the OS image file to start hash value calculation. Verify that the MD5 value is the same as the checksum value recorded for this file on the download page. If these two are different, please download the file again. The following steps shows you how to burn the OS image file. Go to the directory that contains the image file. Place a blank DVD for burning the OS image. Right-click the OS image file and select Burn Disk Image to start Windows Disk Image Burner. Select your disk burner. Click Burn to start the burning process. Please wait while the installation disk is being created. You should be able to use this DVD to install Windows on a DFI device. Contact us at inquiry@dfi.com if you have any question.